Hi to everyone. So now we are going to see procedures of logo. What is a logo procedure? It is nothing but a set of logo commands or primitives given together to do a particular task. There are certain rules to name a procedure. Let us focus on it. First one, it should not contain any space. And then it should contain at least a letter. And there should not be any symbol. For example, let me say I give star space ship. This is wrong. So how it has to be given? It should be given like star ship without any space. Okay. And then next thing is at least a letter. It means it should not be like this 8. Okay. Then how it should be? It should be either like 8 starship, or it can be like 8A. Okay. And then next thing is no symbols. For example, you cannot give it like starship colon, or you cannot give it like star hyphen ship. How it should be given? It should be given without any symbol. Okay, so this is the main rules that we have to keep it in our mind. Okay, so come, let us see about how to write a procedure. How to write a procedure to draw a square. Okay, so initially we have to enter in the input box. So where is the input box? Input box is present here. So in the input box, what am I going to write is 2. Then I have to give a procedure name. So as I'm going to draw a square, I'm giving the procedure name as square. Now come, let us type here 2, then square. Now I have to press enter. When I press enter, you can see a small box that comes up, isn't it? So that is called as 2 mode input box. So what am I going to type in this? In this input box only, I'm going to give the command which is used to draw a square. Okay, so when I give repeat FD100 and RT90. Okay, so the same command, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give here in this input box. Now give enter. So what is the next step? Again, the input box comes. So in this, what I have to do is I have to type it as end. So initial step has been done. The next end is also given. Now, so here in this, you will be able to see that the square is defined. It means the procedure is defined. Okay. And now the next thing, how to execute. It is meant by execute, it is meant by running a program. Why I have to execute a program, or why I have to execute this procedure in order to get result. Okay, so for that, what I have to do is I just wanted to give only my procedure name. So what is the procedure name here? My procedure name is square. So the same procedure name, I'm going to give it in this input box and press enter. So now here you will be able to see the output. So first we have learned how to write a procedure, and now we have learned about how to execute a procedure. Now third step is to save a procedure. How do I have to save my procedure? It is very simple. Just type save, then put a double quotes, and then write your procedure name. That's all what you have to do. Just write the save, then space, then double quotes, and then the procedure name. So here the same thing I'm going to do, save, then space, double quotes, and then I'm going to give the procedure name. So now what happened? The same procedure name is being saved. Okay. So what will be the file extension used in this logo is, file extension is .lgo. Okay, so this is the file extension used in the logo. Okay, so we have learned 3 steps. Next one is to load. It means already I have completed saving and everything. Now I have to load. Later on I have to come and see. Okay, so for that, first before that, let me clear those things. Okay, now loading a procedure. So what is the step? It is very simple again. Type load, then double quotes. We have to write the procedure name. So what is the procedure name? It is square. So again, I'm going to give here load, then space, double quotes, and then square. You would have noticed that I have started the double quotes, but I have not ended the double quotes. Okay, so this is important. So now I have given this load square. So my program has been loaded. And now if you run, how to run? Just only the procedure name, isn't it? So when I run my procedure, I can able to see the output. Okay. So now let us clear it. Okay. So now if I want to do some editing options or editing I have to do. For example, I don't want the square of size 100. So I have to change it. For that purpose, what I can do is I can edit a procedure. What is the step? It is edit, then double quotes. Again, it is procedure name, that is square. Okay, so come let us type this here in this input box and give edit. So you will be getting it in an editor mode where you can see this. So here I want to change this 100. 100 is the size of my square, isn't it? So now I have to change it. So let me give it for 200 and give, go to the file and give save and exit. Now my procedure has been edited. So how I can check whether my procedure has been edited or not? Here again, just go and execute your procedure. Can you see the difference? Previously, the square was a small square, but now you can see the size of the square has been made as a bigger one. Okay. The last one is if you don't want the procedure anymore. So you will be planning to erase a procedure. So what is the step to erase a procedure? Same thing, erase, double quotes, then procedure name. Okay, so come let us give this and check what happens when I give erase procedure. Erase procedure name. It's done. Okay, so come let us call back again our procedure. What is our procedure name? It is square, isn't it? So now if I give square, you can see that I don't know how to square because there is no procedure named as square. Everyone have understood about this. Thank you.